Good morning, good morning. It is early and I'm in Manchester Airport. And the reason that I'm in Manchester Airport is because obviously I'm going on a flight and I'm going to do a bike ride. I'll not say where I'm going yet, you probably even see it already on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Katie Kookaburra with a number 1 at the end because someone had just Katie Kookaburra, so yeah, that's that. So we're going to find my gate now, but it's very exciting, and this is a ride that I am a little bit nervous about doing because it's out of my comfort zone. It is not specifically a road event, so and it is pretty chilly, hence the little warm hat. Jesus Christ, have you ever tried to go to the toilet in an airport with a massive backpack with a helmet and a camera strapped to your front? That felt like something on the Crystal Maze, if I'm honest. Yeah, I did keep that a secret right along where I'm going. So I'm going to Switzerland, and I'll explain more when I'm there and show you, but I've already checked my bike framing. Yeah, the bike frame is checked in and just waiting to board now. Don't follow me on Instagram, this is my Instagram, so you can see what I'm up to in real time. Yes, I've just checked in. Yes, I'm stopped waiting for my plane. Still waiting.
Welcome to Switzerland, ladies and gentlemen.
Greetings! I'm not in Manchester and it is not raining, so I'm a very, very happy girl today because I am in Zurich. I'm in Switzerland, so the reason that I am in Switzerland is this behind me. I'm taking part in a wait for this, a gravel event, a gravel race over 3 days. So yes, I've done a few gravel rides, probably 2. And already I'm coming to Switzerland to do a couple of races. They are set as races. I will not be racing, just so let's make that clear. But yeah, that is what I'm doing. So I am here with the brand. There's a couple of different names. You could say Spengel or Spengler, whichever you want to call it. I've asked them themselves, the brand, and they're like, call it whatever you want. So that is the name of the brand. They are wheels. They do carbon. I'll show you in a minute. They are insane wheels. And so I'm going to show you my bike setup in a minute just to start us into this 3-day video period. So yeah, that is what I'm doing. That's why I'm here. So I reckon let's just get onto the bike setup because this is not a bike that you've seen and these are definitely not wheels that you have seen. So yeah, let's get onto it. So let's get on to the actual setup for this 3-day gravel event. Talk about the frame first. This is the Kinesis Tripster AT. It is alloy and it is a 54 if you want to know what size I am. I'm a 54 frame alloy. And if you know anything about Kinesis, all their bikes are like aimed towards adventure and gravel and just exploration, so I really like that about the brand. Kinesis have been very kind to loan me this bike for the weekend for this event, so got to say thank you to them. I really appreciate it. And specifically the colour, I know I said this about the Cannondale as well, love the colours of bikes, but I love green. Green is my favourite colour, so I really love the colour of this. It is just beautiful. I think it's called Harris Green actually, so yeah, I really like that. And the reason that I have kind of gone for the Kinesis is because I'll show you now. So basically the bottom bracket is higher off the ground, so it will fit the wheels, because these are 650B wheels. They are carbon disc, as you can see from the other side. Yeah, I do like the look of them. I've not ridden them yet, so I'm gonna go and give them a try, see what they're like, and I'll let you know how I get on. But yeah, that is the setup. Oh, gearing. God, I've not even told you about the gearing. Let's talk about the gearing. So we've got a 40 at the front and at the back. I've got to zoom in for this. That, my friends, is a 46. So the ratio of that is very similar to my road bike gear, my adventure bike, if you like, which is a 34 compact at the front and a 40 at the back. So it's very similar kind of ratio. So I'll be getting up all the hills with that setup. So yeah, that is what I'm riding. Oh, and that's my saddle. Bontrager Agena, if anyone's interested. That is my favourite go-to all-time saddle. And they've also got flared handlebars. So I'll see how I get on with those. Just pretty exciting, isn't it? Just to try something a little bit different. And this is like completely different to what I'm used to. So let's just see how I get on. I'm always willing for a bit of an adventure, ride something new and just give it a whirl really. So yeah, I reckon that is it. The next bit of footage you're going to see is like the 20k warm-up route, which we're going to go set off soon. So yeah, see you shortly. Showing it the full skate. This shows that I did try. And I did give it a bit of a give it a go. Just to be brutally honest, I absolutely crap myself doing that. I'm just such a noob at like gravel riding. I think because I'm so used to riding on the road and being ingrained to like avoid gravel and avoid like steep little like ledges and steep little short descents. But the more I did it, the more I got used to it. I mean, it wasn't even 20k that I didn't even do all the laps that, that everyone were doing. But I think I'm just going to get used to it. So we've got like 70k tomorrow to do, so yeah. But I feel like the reason that I am doing this and documenting it is because I feel like people that are new to like road biking or new to any kind of thing, it's like, I think at the minute you kind of see me doing like big rides and doing like different sportifs, and I'm not saying that I don't struggle on those, but like I find them quite doable, whereas I think it's interesting to actually watch when people really struggle, and I struggle doing that, and it's not nice to not be good at something or not feel like you are confident at doing something. So it's only going to make me a better rider, eh? So let's just see how we get on tomorrow. Apparently someone said that there's loads of how pretty is this though? So pretty. There's going to be like loads of ice and snow in the forest, so I'll just give it a whirl. We'll go and have a look, see how it is. And so I guess that is pretty much it. We're just going to go and get some food, get ready for tomorrow. So I guess I will see you bright and early in the morning for a day in the forest on gravel.